got here is a flock group of green jays, and actually it ends up being quite a variety of birds out here on this. It's a cool feeder, and I've seen it in a few other parks. What it is they simply cut a tree, and in this case they actually put some axe markings in there, and then they throw food on top of that. And quite a variety of birds were attracted here. I've also seen this where at the butterfly center they had a mixture of some kind of liquid that they would paint onto the top. And when I say paint, I mean they just used a paintbrush to apply it. But it really attracted the butterflies over there. And now arrives the hooded Oriole, and I guess it's his turn to partake in the food from this pretty cool bird feeder. I have noticed that this hooded Oriole is quite respected among the other birds, and if he comes up, usually the other birds give him the right of way. He does. There's beautiful colors, and look who arrived, the northern cardinal. Such a brilliant amount of color there. I guess those two birds are probably in my top 10 list. And I mean, even the green jay, those three birds are probably in my top 10 list right there. Lots of color in those birds. We do have parrots and parakeets down here, and I just haven't found them. I mean, I used to see them all the time, but that's because I was up at the crack of dawn on my bicycle riding around, and I would see them.